everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another B&M haul. It's a very small haul and I was going to put it with my Asda haul, but I thought it's just about big enough to do a haul to show you what I've got. A few items are inspired by Mrs. Hinch and a few items are just things I wanted to pick up. So I picked up this small Unstoppables. I've never seen the really small one before. This is half the size of the normal average size one. I know they do a really big one as well. But this was £1.99 and the big one was nearly £5 for double. So it actually works out cheaper to buy two this size. This is the scent I've been using recently, so they only had it in this scent, so I was really happy to get this. And this will last me quite a while because I mainly only use this on my bedding. Even though it's so nice, I might start using it with other clothes. Then I got two Sephoras. I wanted to get a lot more, but the shelves were practically empty. So I picked up one cinnamon, which I got in my last haul, which you would have seen a while ago, a few weeks ago. And I really, really love it. It's probably one of my favourites that I've ever smelled. And I've not smelled a lot of them, so I can't compare it to a lot. And then when I walked in the shop, I picked this one up because there was a few displays of Sephora. And this is Winter Spice. This isn't as nice as the warm cinnamon. I've smelt it since I've come home. But it's quite nice, so I'm happy with that. They're £1. I got two of the very small Evians because I'd never drink enough. And they're handy to just grab on your way out the house. I will refill these a few times. And then I'll end up getting new ones eventually. Then I picked up this protein cookie. They do these in Asda and they're £2 or £1.89. And this was 99p in B&M. So I thought if I want anything protein related, I'll just get it from B&M because it's half the price. And I've wanted to try this cookie for a while, so I thought I'd pick it up. The next thing I picked up is Mrs. Hinch inspired, like the cleaning products. She constantly shows this on her Insta stories. I normally only like coffee out the coffee machine or from Starbucks. I never normally make like instant coffee, but I thought I'd give it a try with this to see what I think of it. I don't think it was much cheaper than it's saying on there. I've got the receipt. It was £2.39, so it's only 30p cheaper to buy it there, but I thought I'd just try it. And then the last thing I've got is this Himalayan salt pink salt grinder. It's massive and it was £1.99. I've been after this for a while, but it used to be £2.99. In fact, it used to be £3.99 and then it went down to £2.99. And then I saw it today at £1.99 and I thought I'm definitely getting it because pink salt's better than for you. And that's everything that I've picked up. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave it down below and I'll reply. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, click the bell notification button, and every time I upload a similar video, you'll get an alert. I'm hoping to do a few more B&M hauls before the end of the year, so I'm aiming to do one once a fortnight. So if you do like B&M hauls, then please subscribe. It'd be great if you did, and I'll be back soon. Thank you for watching, everyone.